One fine day, you decide to learn stock market trading. You have two choices. Number one, watch YouTube videos, or number two, read good books on stock market trading. Let's say you pick the second option, that is reading good books on stock market trading. But the question is, we have thousands and thousands of books on stock market. So how do you pick the best books on stock market? Hey everyone, this is Indrajit Chantraj. I'm a full-time trader and author of 7 best-selling books. Today, I'm going to share my favorite top 10 books on stock market. Number one book in the list is Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. This is my all-time favorite book and I recommend this book to all the readers. This is a fiction biography of Jesse Livermore, who is one of the topmost traders in the world. Jesse was known as Boy Plunger for his ability to make money in the bucket shops. This book narrates his story from childhood, and he started his career as a quotation board boy in a broker office. So he used to observe the price fluctuation continuously. So one day Jesse thinks he has learned the art of predicting the prices, the future prices. So he decides to test his luck in the bucket shops. So he started taking bets in different bucket shop, and slowly he starts to make money and beats all the bucket shops. Hence, all the bucket shops bans him. So without any way left, he enters stock market. He made several millions in 1907 and 1929 market crash. He made over $100 million in 1929 market crash, which is equivalent to 1.5 billion in today's dollar value. So don't forget to pick this book. Number second book in the list is Trading in the Zone. What do I say about this book? It is like a Bible for most of the traders. Mark Douglas has written this book and he mentioned hidden reasons for the lack of consistency in our trading. Basically, this book highlights all the habitual problems which are rooted in our subconscious mind, which triggers so many losing trades. This book contains so many valuable lessons that it is very difficult to include all of them in one single video. One such important lesson is about our emotions when an excellent trading opportunity is missed. So whenever we miss a good trading opportunity, our mind fills with lot of emotions and our compulsive ego triggers us to take many unnecessary trades. So that is why we lose a lot of money with many unnecessary trades. So this is a must and read book for all the traders. A link to buy the book is given in the description. Number third book in my list is How I Made 2 Millions in the Stock Market. This book tells the story of Nicholas Darvas, who made 2 millions in 2 years. The funny part is Darvas is not a professional trader or not a professional investor, but he is a professional dancer. For a dance show, he receives 300 shares of a company and he just ignores it because he has received that shares as a bonus, so he just ignores it for a couple of weeks. But one day he checks the price of that particular stock after few weeks and he realizes he made $8,000 profit. From that incident, he considers trading as a serious business actually. So he started reading many good books on trading, even on investment, and he develops his own trading method which is called as box theory. So basically, for example, assume a stock's price is fluctuating in between 40 and 45. So whenever the price breaks this upper layer 45 and if it shows acceptance, he used to accumulate that particular stock, keeping a stop loss below the lower box level, that is 40. So let's say from here, from 45 to 50, the price starts trading above 50. Then he used to trial his stop loss from 40 to 45. So this is how he develops his own trading technique, which is called as box theory. And he receives tremendous success with his system, and he makes 2 million in 2 years. But the most surprising part is, he was not sitting at one place. He was traveling all around the world, giving his dance shows, and he used to communicate with his broker only through telegrams. So, buy this particular stock above this level, stop loss is this level. He used to communicate with his broker only through telegrams. So that way you can understand the importance of his trading system. Number 4th book in the list is One Upon Wall Street. This book is highly beneficial for investors. Peter Lynch has written this book, who is an American investor and a fund manager. So during his tenure, his fund size increased from 20 million to 14 billion. I'll repeat it. During his tenure, his fund size increased from 20 million to 14 billion, and he generated whopping annual return of 29% for over 13-14 years. So Peter Lynch popularized the term of multi-baggers. You might have heard about the term multi-baggers, right? He popularized the term multi-baggers. Basically, this book is divided into 3 categories. So number 1, preparing to invest. So this section is all about preparing your mindset and setting the proper common sense. That is the first section. Second section is picking the winners. So this idea is this section discuss about all about picking the good stocks for a longer duration. So this is second section. And the third section is all about the long-term view. It is all about redesigning your portfolio for a longer duration. So this is a wonderful book for investors. Number 5th book in the list is Mind Over Markets. This is a wonderful book for day traders, scalpers, and short-term traders. James Dalton is the author of this book, and his effort is clearly visible to explain the market profile concept. So basically, market profile is a unique charting technique and an interesting trading concept, and it is highly beneficial for day traders. And basically, market profile is invented and developed by Peter Stidlmer in 1985 when he was working with the Chicago board. Okay, so basically, what this market profile does is it helps us to identify the footprints of big players. That is, whoever trades with huge quantities. So in that way, if you are able to identify the footprints of big traders, so it helps us to take the trades in the same direction of big players, so that we will make some profits in the short term trading. This book is organized based on a trader's achievement level. For example, novice and advanced beginner and competent, proficient and expert. So if you want to if you're more interested in intraday trading, then this is a must read book for you. Number 6th book in the list is Trade Like a Casino. How's the name? Trade Like a Casino. Whenever I heard the name Trade Like a Casino, I immediately bought the book and I read it. And trust me, this book has never disappointed me. The author of the book is Richard Wiseman, and basically it's all about comparing the trading strategies with casinos. Do you know what casinos do? They have a strategy to ensure that they have an edge in the long run. Whenever a person wins a big amount in casino guys will not feel bad, or they don't give up. So they know in the long run they have an edge, and they encourage people to take more bets actually. But in the long run they are going to win it, right? The similar way, this book talks about identifying good trading strategies which have edge actually, and executing the same strategy for a longer duration. Okay, it also compares the similarities of a casino and successful traders who are already made lots of profits in stock market trading, and explains all the money management rules for both casino and stock market system. Number 7th book in the list is Secrets for Profiting in Bull and Bear Markets. I read this book around 10 years back, and it still have an impression in my mind. Stan Winston has written this book, and this is highly beneficial for long-term investors. Basically, it presents a simple investment approach with a lot of examples. It gives complete info about entry, exit, stop loss, and trial stop loss, and how to manage the same system in different market conditions. So, if you think for any trading system, these are very important: entry, exit, stop loss, and trailing stop loss. And he has mentioned about all these points very clearly in his investment decision. And he also mentioned five essential topics to analyze any stock. So first one is he always insists a stock should not contain any immediate resistance. That is number one. And number two is the stock should perform better than the market index. He uses RS, relative strength, to identify the same. And number three is stock should be in uptrend. He does it using 30 week moving average. And then stock should broke out the immediate resistance point. That is the fourth point. And the last point is volume confirmation. So he picks a good stocks using these 5 points. So trust me, after reading this book, I started implementing or using this technique even in short term time frames. So basically, this is a wonderful book for investors and long term players. Number 8 book in my list is How to Make Money in Stocks. This book is highly beneficial for long term traders and investors. William O'Neill has written this book, and this book gives a new dimension towards investment approach. This book basically teaches you to find out the next Amazon or Google or HDFC or Netflix using CAN-SLIM method. So you might have heard about it. CAN-SLIM is the best approach or famous approach to identify good stocks actually. So whereas CAN-SLIM, C stands for current quarterly earnings per share, A stands for annual earnings increase, N stands for new products, new management, new highs, etc. S stands for supply and demand, L stands for leadership, I stands for institutional sponsorship, and M stands for market direction. So basically, this is a wonderful to pick multi-baggers in futures. And if you remember or if you recall, William O'Neill popularized the concept of cup and handle format. So cup and handle format is a popular a pattern among long-term traders and investors, which is a bullish pattern. So basically, William O'Neill has popularized the cup and handle format. So if you are looking for long-term bets, this is the best book for you. Number 9th book in my list is How to Day Trade for a Living. This book is highly beneficial for day traders, scalpers, and short-term traders. So the author of this book is Andrew Aziz, and he has narrated his own story in the book. So in his initial days of trading, Aziz got lucky and he made around $6,000 profit in a pharma stock in very few minutes actually. But after some time, he gives back all the profits and even the capital as well. So after this, terrible incident or experience, Aziz took it as a challenge, and he learns day trading in a systematic way and emerges as a winner in day trading. So he has mentioned a couple of very good day trading system in this book, and after reading this book, you can learn a couple of things. So number one, a clear path to start intraday trading as a business. Number two, methods to identify good stocks. Number 3, essential devices and tools which are required for day trading. Number 4, mechanical rules to create good trading strategies. So if you are if you are very keen on intraday trading, then this is the best book for you. Number 10th book in my list is Price Action Breakdown. So initially, when I came to know about this book, I was very skeptical. I was not sure whether to read this book or not. But after reading this book, I became a fan of this book. So Laurent Damer as the author of this book, and it takes in-depth but unique approach to study the price action patterns. So after reading this book, two things are very clear. Number one, you don't think you should remember the different price patterns actually. That is number one. And number two, you don't look at the chart in the same way. It gives a new dimension actually. The fascinating thing about Laurent Damer is, he don't have a website. That is number one, and he has very limited, online presence. I think he has around 500, 550, followers on Twitter. He don't have, very strong online presence. And the most important point is nobody knows where he lives actually. So after doing extensive research, I'm guessing he lives in Romania or any nearby European country. So overall, this is a wonderful book if you are a fan of price action trading. Friends, we have thousands and thousands of books on stock market trading, and it is really difficult to shortlist only 10 books on stock market trading. But I tried my level best to shortlist, the good books on trading. So apart from these 10 books, I can also think about three other good books, on stock market field. So number one is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Number two is How to Avoid Loss and Earn Consistently in the Stock Market by Prasenjit Paul. And number three is How to Make Money Using Candlestick Chart by Balakrishna Sadekar. These three books are also really good. I hope this video is really helpful for you. And if you think I have missed any other good book, you can also comment below. I will have a look about it. And also I have given the link to buy these books in the description, so you can check. If you are planning to buy, you can click on the link and you can buy the books. And this is my new book, The Subtle Art of Intraday Trading. I have released this book around 2-3 weeks back, and at the moment it occupied number one slot in the investment and securities category in Amazon India. So if you are really interested to learn intraday trading, you can have a look on this book. You can buy this book and you can have a look on this book. I hope this video is really helpful for you friends. Thank you.